really nice to be here with us in Wembley Central. I'm really proud you are here or come to the Wembley Central. For your Goan community, I listen to your speech, 45 minutes is non-stop. I will be breathless by your speech and the people are listening to you. That's proof that you are a true leader. Keep it up. I really like the Goan's community spirit. I've been to several community event as a councillor. I have seen such a disciplined, one of the such a disciplined community is the Goan community. I'm really pleased.
It's a pleasure.
I'm welcome to our board. Thank you.
Mr. Borkar, it was honoured and pleasure to hear you. I would like to honour you with the shawl. Thank you so much for coming and welcome to London. I must say it's such an inspiration what you're doing, how you communicate and engaging with the youth of Goa, and what the work that you've done. It's amazing. It's inspiring for a young man. So another young man, I wish I could get even 10% of what you've done. So I hope we can achieve that over here with the youth and how you inspire them. That's something I want to know. Now, what's the secret of going for that 45 minutes?
Basically, we have a love for the land that is Goa, and we have seen that the identity crisis across Goa. There are a lot of issues. There is the environmental damage, pollution, corruption. There's a lot of things which are happening in Goa, and that is the love which brought us into politics. We were never into politics, and all the Goans across the globe are helping us a lot. And they had called me before also, so I couldn't make it, but now I'm in UK and I try to go across UK and try to meet people, our people, and they are spreading love.
Absolutely.
आणि तुझो मोलादीक काम दिला म्हणून वाचता आनी जे तूं गोंयकारां पासून सोदता आमचे गोंयची जमीन आमचे जागे आमचे शेतां तांचे कंटिन्यू करूं आनी लेट्स से फॉर गो फॉर फ्यूचर.
Thank you. We have seen that a lot of things are happening across the globe, and there are different types of issues coming across, and we are saying that new and young generation has to come into politics in the different kind of issues which our people are taking across. I'm hoping for the best and community building of Goans across the UK, and we are trying our best. We are spreading love and carrying message with each other. Thank you very much, and everyone for giving me such a beautiful opportunity and this honor. Thank you.
No, thank you for coming. Thank you.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.